Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Active Directory domain service on your Windows Server 2019. So you just need to follow me. So first of all you need to go to your Start menu. Now click on Server Manager. After that it will take some time to loading, so you have to wait. So after done you have to click on Add Role and Features. So click over there. Now here you need to click on Next. Now here you need to select role based or features based installation. After that click on Next. Now click on Next once again, and here you need to check this option which is Active Directory domain service. After that click on Add Features and now click on Next. Now no need to select anything over there, so simply click on Next. And after that click on Next, and if you need a restart to domain server automatically if required, then you can check this option. So by default I will not select this option, so I will go with by default option. So click on Next. So after click on Install, it will take some time, so you have to wait for few minutes. So after done you have to click over there and you have to click on Promote this server to our domain controller. So click over there and you will get this window. Now I will create add a new forest. So now you have to put your domain over there. In my case I will put here technology.internal. So now you can select here forest function level from here and domain function level from here. After that you need to put your directory service restore mode password over there. So I will put a same password on both the box, and after that click on Next. Now if you want to create a delegation, then you can check this option. So I will go with by default option. After that click on Next. Now click on Next once again. Click on Next and you can check the script from here. View script, click on. So you can check the script from here. So after done click on Next. Now you have to click on Install. After that you have to restart your computer. So after restart done, go to your Start menu and click on Server Manager. After that you have to go to the Tools and click on Active Directory User and Computers. So now as you can see, here's a domain controller. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.